Go through it. What'd you get?
Candy.
Yeah.
A new shooter from Bakugan?
Oh, sweet.
And some games.
Yeah.
And some jelly beans, my favorite.
And some Bakugan? Alright, we'll go through the rest of it, dude. There's more in there.
I know, but that's so exciting. There's some more.
Are you not into this?
And Spider-Man pencils.
Alright, what else?
Those are like quality paddle balls here. If you break them, we're gonna have to use them for discipline.
Wait, what was that you just picked up? I saw the chocolate bunny. Oh, you got a magnifying glass too? That's cute. Audrey, what in yours is a frog? What magnifying glass do you have?
A butterfly one.
Oh, those are cute. What else do you got, Ethan? Do you got a paddle ball?
Yeah.
Awesome.
What is this for?
It's,
This is my Disney pen.
I don't know. Don't break it, or we're gonna use it on your heinies. And you got lots of candy.
Nim-Nim.
Well, oh, I think I see some other stuff in there. What's that box of cards? Is that a box of cards?
Yeah, Pokemon cards.
Oh, awesome.
Maybe it has Darkrai in it.
Maybe.
Yeah, can you go get my rest of my Pokemon cards?
Let's see. Is it the rest of this candy?
Well, not yet.
Okay. You like what you got?
Yeah.
You like what you got?